to reinforce experiential and contextual learning, and to offer students the opportunity to interact with nature outside the classroom. The grade 8 students of Colonel Lauro D. Dizon Memorial National High School conducted an eco-tour to one of the well-known lakes in the city of San Pablo, the Sampaloc Lake. They will experience what Sampaloc Lake has to offer to promote the tourism of the city. Despite being surrounded by buzzing city life, Sampaloc Lake's peaceful aura seems unmoved. The 3-kilometer boardwalk framing the crater lake could be anyone's stroll in the park. Five students would like to have their pictures taken at Sampaloc Lake. How many ways can they be arranged in a row? In order to solve for the number of possible ways the students can be arranged in a row, they can do either the listing method or to make use of the fundamental principle of counting. If an event has m possible outcomes or can be done in m ways, and when it has been done, a second event has n possible outcomes or can be done in n ways, and when it has been done, a third event has p possible outcomes or can be done in p ways, and so forth, then the total number of outcomes is the product of m, n, and p. Since there are 5 students, then you can multiply 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1 to get a product of 120 ways. Therefore, there are 120 ways in which the students can be arranged in a row. The best way to enjoy the scenes around the lake is to ride a bicycle or a pedicab. If 5 students want to ride a pedicab, but only 3 are allowed, how many possible groups can ride? Applying the fundamental principle, since there are 5 students who wanted to ride the bike, but only 3 are allowed, then we get the product of 5 by 4 by 3 to get 60 as the number of possible groups who can ride the pedicab. After going around the lake, the students got hungry and they decided to eat. Then they saw some famous San Pablo delicacies and thought of buying pasalubong for their family at home. If the students were to choose from 4 kinds, how many combinations of 3 delicacies can a student have? Now, it's your turn to answer this. choices, by 3, by 2, and there are 24 possible combinations to choose from.
Meron akong kaibigan pagharap ko sa mundo.
Pagsagot sa tanong, ilan, ano, alin, paano,
Matang katulong
sa ating pagsulong,
paglikha't pag-unawa ng hiwaga. Minsan ang mahirap at seryoso, nakakatakot, nakakalito. Buti na lang may kasama pa tayo, sipag, tiyaga, isip at talino. Magtanong, mag-isip, huwag matakot magkamali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang mahirap ay dadali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang matyaga matututo. Magtanong, mag-isip, hey! Sabay-sabay tayo. Kaya mo, kaya ko, magtutunan ng math. Kaya mo, kaya ko, mag-usap, magsigaw.